On today's episode of What the Heck Did Alex Spend Her Money On? This week we have a massive Sephora haul. So Sephora had their friends and family sale, which you get 20% off basically if you get like a code or a link from an employee. It doesn't matter what tier you are, so you could be VIB, you can be VIB Rouge, or you could just be Beauty Insider. No matter what level you are, as long as you had an account and you were able to get a code or a link off of somebody to sign up for this, you got 20% off your entire purchase. And I managed to get a code, which I'll tell you how I did that and then also show you obviously what's inside. This is going to be a pretty big haul. As you see, honestly, I've never gotten a box this big and I was pretty shocked when this arrived, and it arrived in less than 24 hours, which that alone amazed me. The sale is over now, so I'm sorry, but for next year, now you guys know there's a friends and family sale. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I open this box, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how the sale works. Like I mentioned, you can be VIB, Beauty Insider, VIB Rouge, whatever it is. You get 20% off your entire order. It's a one-time code though, so you can only use it once and there's no limit to it. So you can spend as much as you want, 20% off. And how I got it, I personally don't know anybody that works at Sephora. I don't have friends or family that work there, but there's a Reddit thread. I honestly don't really know how to use Reddit either. I'm kind of like dabbling and learning how to use Reddit, but there was a Sephora thread where employees would go and post their link, and all you had to do was click the link and sign into your Sephora account and it would get like linked onto it. I learned about it 2 days prior to the sale, and the sale didn't start until September 30th till October 2nd, so it is over now. It was only like the weekend long, but they did open it up 24 hours earlier, and shout out to one of you guys for actually telling me that. So I posted on my story about this sale, and one of you guys actually messaged me that you also wanted a code, you didn't know how to get one. So as soon as I saw a link available, I sent it right away to DM to this person, and they were so nice because they found out that it started 24 hours earlier, DM'd me right away, so I got everything in my order. So shout out to you. Thank you so much for that little tip. If you want to get a code next time, just look at the Reddit thread. You got to be quick though, because it's only 250 people are allowed to sign up per link. I know 250 people are a lot, but trust me, like those links fly. You have probably like less than half an hour before the code is taken up, and once those 250 spots fill up, that code is no longer valid. You cannot use it after. That's how it happened, just in case you were wondering. I know that's a lot of information. I'm currently VIB, so I'm in the middle. I'm not Beauty Insider and I'm not Rouge. I'm usually Rouge, but I just don't shop at Sephora that much anymore, so I did not make Rouge, although I'm pretty close, so who knows, I might hit it by the time the holidays come. For the sale that is coming up, I think it's at the end of October, early November. Basically, there's like 10% off for the main level, 15% off for the middle one, and then 20% off for Rouge. And like I said, I'm not Rouge, so definitely took advantage of the 20% off. I know it's only 5% more than the middle tier that I am, but honestly, like that 5% makes a difference when you make big orders, and so your girl likes to save money, and I love a good sale, so had to partake in that. This box is massive, like I said. We got a bunch of good stuff. I'll show you guys everything that I got, explain to you why I got it and how much it was, and if I think it is worth it or not. Item number one that we could see clearly right off the bat is this Laneige lip mask set. This is it. It was a $25 value. It comes with 5 different of like the flavors and then the little spatula. I do think it is a good value for $25. I was actually debating this because I do have one of their full sizes, and then I just want you guys to see this is obviously the sample size. So there is just a little bit of product, and then that is how much there's in there. You get mint chocolate chip, gummy bear, vanilla, berry, which is one of their like original OG ones, and this is their newest one. It's mango, and then just a cute little applicator to help you put it on. I do think it is a great value. I know they look small, but trust me, these things last so long. Like this is the one I have. I recently got it a couple months ago and I have been using it almost every single day. This was their limited edition one in cherry blossom. It smells so good. I love it. And honestly, like, look how much is still there. This thing is massive and I've barely scratched the surface of it. And trust me, like, I don't just use it at night. I know it's like their sleep mask, but I do use it in the day, during the afternoon, like at night. I just put it on whenever I feel like my lips are a little dry, and I absolutely love it. I know this set looks small, and comparison to it, this is the little one and this is the full size. This one does have a lot less product because, as you can see, the bottom, it does have this. But trust me, I feel like this honestly will last you months. And I like it because you get to try out the different kinds that it has, so you can see which one you like. And once you find one you really like, just invest in the bigger one. Next up, another like holiday set that they had. I think this was such a good value, and I never see holiday sets with the black beauty blender. It's always the pink one, all the other colors of it, but having the black one, honestly, I've never seen sets with the black one. Each individual beauty blender is $26. This was a $45 kit and the value for it was $75. This is all Canadian, by the way, because I am Canadian, so these are the Canadian prices. But I thought it was amazing, and like I said, finding little kits like this that have the black one is so hard. I've never tried the brown one. I do like the pink one. It's not bad. It's not my favorite though. The black one is definitely my favorite one, but there was no kit where they had 3 black ones. If they did, I would stock up on it because those are amazing, but nonetheless, the pink one is not bad. I just prefer the black one, but very interested to try the brown one too. I've never seen a brown one. I like the color of it. Had to stock up on some favorites. This is the Purity One Step Facial Cleanser. Absolutely love this. It is by Philosophy. This is what it looks like. I've been using this for so many years. I just think it's great for taking off my makeup, washing my face. I love it. They have different sizes. This is just the standard size one. Just has that little snap closure. Sticking with Philosophy, definitely had to pick up their ultra lightweight moisturizer. This again is my ride or die. This again runs for $36. This is what it looks like. It has a nice little pump like this. You just pump it on. Very lightweight but very moisturizing. Another staple that I had to pick up, usually I pick up the holiday sets for Urban Decay, their all-nighter setting spray. They're not out yet. I don't know if they're coming out, but they increase their prices like every year, which is kind of annoying. But they have the like super jumbo one, so I had to get this one at least, and it is massive, you guys. Like, wait till you see this. It's huge, literally huge. It's $56 and it says it has an $84 value. I don't know how true that is, but they do have sets usually where they have 2 of the smaller ones, but they equal out to the same milliliter. I believe last year this was $2 cheaper than the holiday kits they even came out with that had 2 kind of like regular size ones. I feel like, again, it's going to be the same, or this is going to be the better value, but it is annoying if you're trying to travel or go somewhere and just carry this massive thing, because I'll show you guys a difference. This is the jumbo one and this is the regular one. I noticed right now that this one does not come with the little cap that this one does. This one has a cap and then the little plastic, and then this one is the jumbo one. There is no cap or attachment for it. This one has 8.11 fluid ounces, or this one has 4 fluid ounces. So again, I feel like this one would be the better value if the gift sets come out, so just keep an eye out on that. That is the size comparison for it. Another refill that I needed, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I know some people like filling in their brows with like a brow pencil or just using a gel, but I've used the pomade for so many years and I just honestly think it's great. I love it. This is what it looks like. I get the shade Dark Brown, and that is what it looks like. Overall, great product, but be careful, don't go in with a heavy hand because it can make you look a little crazy. But this was $24. Also, again, it does look very tiny, but trust me, I have had my dip brow for like a year and a half. I know it's old, it definitely needs to be replaced, which is why I got it. And trust me when I tell you, like, I barely have like used half of it, and the only reason I'm getting a new one is because I definitely feel like it is old and probably a little expired now, which is not good, so I need to change that. But I never go through these and I use it like every single day. Another staple that I need to refill, The Ordinary. This is my ride or die primer. Absolutely love this. It is the high adherence silicone primer. Don't think the 20% off counted towards this. It never does, but I already had free shipping, so I figured might as well pick it up. It was $6.60 and very affordable, so I'm not even mad that the 20% off didn't count towards it. It's just a cute little bottle like this. I think it's great. It's been my ride or die, the only primer I use, and it goes great in my opinion with this moisturizer. They just work really well together, so had to pick that up. Moving on to new things that I'm testing out. I actually picked this up like 3 days ago. I was inside a Sephora store getting my eyebrows done. I go to the brow bar now, and I wanted to pick up a like exfoliator, and I was talking to one of the girls that worked there, and she actually recommended this product. Never used it in my life. I've never honestly tried the Sephora brand products. I don't know why. I just never reached for them, and I've never seen people review them or rave about them, but she really liked this. She saw my skin. I went in with no makeup. I told her what my issues were, that I had combo skin. I really wanted kind of something that hydrated me but wasn't too harsh on my skin. My skin is getting very dry now that fall winter is coming, and so she recommended this, and I kid you not, this is my second bottle. I do have one in my washroom, and I paid full price for that one. Full price was only $16 anyway, so I had to pick up a backup, which I do know during the holidays they usually have 30% off the Sephora brand, and if that's the case, I will be picking up more. I also want to try the moisturizer and the exfoliator pads. She also said it was really good, but I'm gonna wait for the 30% off for those. But I did just pick this one up in case by any chance it sells out. I just want to back up. I don't want to have to go searching for it. This is the exfoliant smoothing cleanser. It exfoliates and makes your skin like glowy, and let me tell you, that is absolutely what this little thing does. This is mine, just to show you guys I'm not joking or anything. Like, I have two of them. I think this is a chemical exfoliant if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that's what she called it, so it doesn't have any like bumps or grainy stuff inside the actual product. It's very smooth and just like silky. Like, there's no rough or grainy things inside the product. It's just very smooth, very nice. It is fragrant free also. Honestly, I kid you guys not, I have used it already like 3 times since I bought it. Amazing, absolutely phenomenal. So I do still go in with this cleanser to take off my makeup, and then I double cleanse and I use this right after. Or if I'm having a no makeup day where I don't need to use this, I will just either start off the day with this or end off the day with this to just make my skin feel nice. And it feels so good after. Like, I'm not even kidding. I never thought I would rave about like a Sephora brand product, but this is amazing. My skin feels very tight and nice when I'm done using it, but also you can see like the glow in my skin. I had to pick up two. Next up, I am trying something new. This is from the Inky List. I've never bought stuff from them, but I have heard good reviews about them and people rave about them, and they did have good reviews online, which also that Sephora one also has amazing reviews online, so you can go read the reviews to that if you want. This is a scalp treatment. This is the box in case you guys want to see that. I will still have everything linked in the description. If you come across this during the VIB sale, definitely try to pick some of these things up. They should still probably be in stock by then, but I just wanted to try this. It's an oil and flake control serum, and my hair, again, my scalp is getting very dry as the seasons are changing, so wanted to pick this up. Again, it had good reviews, and I don't have a scalp treatment. Figured I might as well try this. I will update you guys in a little bit, but my hair overall is doing very good. It's thriving, so my hair's not the problem. I love the Fanola products I use. I will rave about Fanola forever. Literally, my hair is all thanks to Fanola, but my scalp, I noticed, is getting a little dry, so I just wanted like a scalp exfoliant little treatment thing, so I got that. And then lastly, two things that I picked up. I actually got a sample of one of these, I think like 3-4 years ago. My mom absolutely loved it, and so did I. And then we kind of just forgot about it, never got it. And then I saw these candles the other day at Indigo. Very expensive at Indigo. And then I saw them at Sephora. They were on sale plus the 20% off. I was like, I need to try this again. And oh, I just opened it and it smells so good. It is a candle. I know. Who buys a candle at Sephora? I buy a candle at Sephora, and I have no regrets. This is the Volu Spa Koji Tarocco Orange scent. Usually my mom and I are not fruit scent candle type of people, but we love candles. This was like $5 off. It was originally $34, on sale for $29. It is a 3-wick candle in a tin. I wish you guys could smell this. I'm so excited. I bought this for my mom, but also I'm gonna be able to like get the benefits and like use it because the house is gonna smell amazing, but I regret not buying more now. It's kind of like candy orange. Like, it just smells so good. And for $29, it's a 3-wick. This is what it looks like. And it's pretty big for the value. not upset. I just like comparing things to my head in case you guys haven't noticed. And because we saw it at Indigo, I was smelling a bunch of different candles with my boyfriend. He really liked that one, so I was very happy. And then we found this one, which now I regret not buying the bigger one because it was definitely a better value to buy this one than this little one. This was $29 on sale as mentioned, and this was $16, so I should have just bought in this size. But this is the Panjori Lychee. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. The tins are so cute. It smells so good. I just like the smell of it. It smells fresh. But comparing the two, definitely would say try this scent first. This one is lychee, but it's not as strong and powerful as this one. Got 2 samples. These are not the samples that I picked. I feel like they just throw whatever samples are in there, especially because it's probably very busy with orders. This is the gloss highlighter from Refi in Topaz. And then we got the 24-hour longwear waterproof lightweight cakeless concealer. I like how it has different options. Obviously probably gonna use this one or this one. We'll test it out, but it says it's cakeless, 24-hour longwear waterproof lightweight feel. Never tried it in their concealers. I use a drugstore one. If you guys haven't noticed by my haul, I am not really like a makeup kind of girl from Sephora. I do buy pretty much 90% of my makeup from the drugstore. I almost bought the Rare Beauty foundation, but I saw the reviews and the most recent ones were so bad, so didn't pick that up. But if you have the Rare Beauty foundation, can you guys let me know what you think about it? I trust you guys a lot, so I didn't pick it up. Might have to pick it up during the VIB sale. I will have another haul when that time comes, so definitely subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Let me know if you tried anything, what your favorite item was, or what is something that you saw in this video that you want to try. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for being here and for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!